Boom, here we are. So today is on Monday, as I just said, and I'm looking at this as an opportunity. If you look at this red line right here, this is just to indicate that today is on Monday. So as the days goes by, I get notified. Okay, I can easily see that at exactly which day we are and how the market is likely to behave. Okay, so I'm looking at this like a sell opportunity. Okay, since as you know, I normally follow the trend. That is my basic principle, like following the trend always. Alright, then from there I'm just looking for good entries that can follow the trend. Okay, so that is the basic thing. Okay, so I have two sell limits all the way up here. That is the first one and that is the second one. So what I did is I normally take on a $300 account, I can use like a mini lot, like a 0.1. Since I'm only taking one trade a day, okay, if I make a loss in the morning, that's it. I'll just call it a day and come the next day. Okay, so even using a mini lot like a 0.1 and having like a stop loss around 20 to 30 pips, I only lose like 30 bucks. Okay, which means and since I'm not risking a lot like having multiple trades in the day, so that's enough. That's a good some kind of good risk. Okay, depending on how you want to flip it. Okay, so for me, I love doing less and making more. Okay, so that is much easier. All right, so what happens is I'm waiting. I have two sell limits. So on top here I have this sell limit right here, and then the stop loss all the way above here. Okay, all the way above there. So my psychology right now, I'm waiting for two things: either the market to pull up or the market to lack momentum to pull higher and and break down. So if it breaks down, I will still get my entry. Okay, if it pulls higher so that it can push lower, because I can see from where we are right now to where I put my sell limit, it's around 87 pips. Okay, so having a market pulling 87 pips on any given day, on a normal day, it is very hard. Okay, so there is a higher chance of the market not even pulling that high. Okay, so I'm still ready for that. So I'm able to know what is more probable. Okay, and also what is also possible. Okay, what I want the market to do so that I can be involved on the trades, and also what is likely to also happen. Okay, so that is it. So once if I enter the trade, I will just drop it here. So if the market is not triggered all the way on top there. Okay, so let's see how this goes. What's up guys? So today currently on Monday right now, so taking some massage. This is what I do normally most of the times. If I feel a little bit maybe stressed out, maybe I can just come over here, take a massage seat. You can see the massage seat right here in Garden City, right? So if you want to maybe try this in the mall, Garden City, they have a very good offer here, only 700 for full body massage. All right, so you can come try. Oh, so nice. All right, so this is what I do if I want to spend a little bit more time trying to think out through something. So I currently have a trade, so let me show you. So there we go. I still have my sell limit, exactly the same place that we placed. Oh, this thing is so nice. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They are somehow pressing my head. Okay, I still massaging at the back. Okay, and also at the feet, right there. I came for the more expensive one. Okay, we have some other pairs right there. Okay, if you look at that is only for the back. Okay, but these ones, they are more expensive. Okay, for the whole body from head all the way to the feet. They're even massaging my seat, my foot right there. Okay, so everything from head to toe. Okay, it's so nice. Okay, so you can try these out. Okay, as you trade. So today is on Monday. I still have my trades running. Okay, I have my sell limit right there. So I'm expecting the market maybe to pull all the way the moving all the way to the Fibonacci up there, all the way to the Fibonacci up there, and then maybe approximately at most there, and then probably drop down. If it doesn't drop down, then we'll just exit there at loss. Okay, so that's it. Look at this. So nice, man. remember also the seats are heated. Ooh. Oof. The seats are heated so that they can massage you. The seat massages you. Yeah, it's also heating you up. Okay, let's look at this. It's pressing me right here. Okay, and also massaging my back at the same time. So kind of vibrating, you know. And also at the feet. Oh, damn. So this is what you need to do as a Forex trader. You need to spend some time maybe to cool and relax your body. You see how your trading will improve, okay? Yo, we're now done with the massage, so now maybe chill out. We've taken lunch, okay, all right? Now we're done with the massage for the day. I feel so fresh now, so maybe we should just relax and maybe have a small pep talk, okay? So what are we going to talk about today? Okay, so the first thing, so maybe you can go somewhere around there, right? So what happens is, when it comes to trading, you need to be as free and as fresh as possible, okay? So make sure everything that you're doing it because you're trying to improve your trading game, okay? So a small massage, like just a few bucks, will maybe help your game tremendously, okay? So make sure you improve every single time. Every single thing that you're doing, make sure you're improving every single day, okay? So that is it. So that's what I do every single day when I want to do something, maybe to improve my game every single time, right? So come have some massage. Maybe you can have a seat here. We are full. We've done some massage, so I think we are going to go for the day. All right? Yeah. So that is it. So let's talk about which is the most important strategy when it comes to trading. All right? So most people understand that strategy is only on the analysis aspect, but a strategy is all down even to how you deal with your patients, how you are disciplined, okay? So like we placed the trade in the morning, okay? The sell limits, actually they have not been triggered yet. Currently it is around 2:23. We placed the trade at around 8 or 9, yeah, around 8 a.m. and it is currently 2 p.m. right? And more so, we have not even taken the trades. They have not even been triggered, so we are not yet making money. So that is part of trading, right? Patience, that is the first thing. You need to be very, very patient, okay? The second thing, it is discipline to follow your strategy. Let me give you a short story on how I had a small problem on how I trade, okay? So I was not making any money for 2 years, okay, until I started becoming consistent since January of this year, 2020, okay. So currently around 8 months, okay, and then 6 months or 7 months into the game, after I had even been teaching my strategy and all these things, then my Telegram group had so many people, right? And the more people came, the more questions that flocked into my DM, the more answers I had to look for, and the more all these things distracted me from my actual game. Because most people are asking about using flipping accounts. Okay, that's good. I've been used to that. And then they were also asking on price action. I normally don't use price action. I'm just a momentum trader, right? So they were just the more they asked the questions, the more it distracted me from what exactly I normally use. Okay, so when people ask me about these dojis, hammers, and all these things, my mind also want to start using them. So since I'm now training my mind I'm trying to explain to them, okay, I'm trying to explain to them how they don't work and all these things. So they end up messing up with my psychology such that I even want to try to start using the strategy, okay? So with that, so how I dealt with that is I reduced the group time, okay? So I'm rarely on the group, so I just come check through, maybe answer the questions that are around there, okay? That is the first thing. And then the second thing is also to make sure I stick to my strategy 100%. I also had 2 people who are making money using price action. The other one was making money using divergence, but we are trading a little bit different. And the problem with me is that I'm normally a flexible person. Okay, I love trying out new things. I love trying out new things. Anytime I find out that something else is working, I also want to know exactly how they're doing it. Okay, so when I started doing that, that is when I started messing up with my own strategy, and I stopped making money for a whole month. I went for almost a whole month without making money, simply because I was not following my strategy 100%. Okay, so when I start following my strategy, I do less and make more. Why? I expect 3 to 4 setups a week, not a day, a week. Okay, this is not so simple like waiting for a whole day for a setup. Okay, so train your mind to do less and make more. The lesser you trade, the more money you make. Okay, so in trading, like today, I'm expecting the market maybe to pull all the way to my entry, then drop. Okay, since we are still in a downtrend. Okay, so I have to wait for the whole day. So what are you supposed to be doing on that time? Okay, come over to the mall, have some massage, go take lunch, KFC or wherever, then do other stuff. Maybe go pick up your girlfriend, do something different. Okay, as the trade comes to you, you don't have to sit on the computer the whole day. Okay, just watching the trade. Okay, I'm lucky that I have adjusted and 100%. I normally 100% use my phone to trade every single time. Okay, so with that, even when I'm somewhere outside, like currently, I'm still comfortable using my phone to trade. Most people who are used to trading using their laptops and computers, they really have a hard, they normally have a hard time trying to trade on the phone. Okay, I'm lucky enough to have practiced enough, and also I'm quite profitable when it comes to using the smartphone. Okay, so rule number 1, be patient. Rule number 2, be very disciplined. Okay, so if you want to make money on any condition, by the way, I have an episode, some episodes coming soon where I'll be trading on extreme conditions. Okay, trade my entire strategy live on camera, unedited. Okay, and on extreme conditions. First episode is coming down. Okay, the first episode, what I'll do in the first episode, I will get drunk. So wake up at 7. Okay, then take a whole bottle of wine, full one, complete. Okay, then at around 8, when I normally start to trade, I'll start trading. Okay, so extreme, testing my strategy even on extreme conditions. Okay, so that is what I'll do. Then we'll see how I'll make my decisions the entire day. If I get if it will be a good day, I told you I normally get 3 to 4 good setups a week. Okay, so if it is normally a bad day, then I take a trade. When my mind is not good, I'll know I have failed. If I make a good trade from that, I know I've passed. Okay, so that is basically it. So that is it. Okay, so the second one, normally I was maybe thinking of trading while blindfolded. Okay, I just blindfold myself, then call my younger sister. Okay, she's 9 years old. Okay, then I can just ask her questions while I'm blindfolded the entire day, or maybe the specific time that I'll be looking to take the setup. Okay, so with that, I'll just maybe blindfold myself. Immediately when I wake up, I'll leave my phone with my girlfriend. Then the moment when I wake up, blindfold myself, then ask my younger sister. Then ask my younger sister if whatever I want to know. I'll ask her questions like, where is the moving average facing? Is it bearish, or is it facing downwards, or is it facing upwards? If she tells me it is downwards, the second question is has the price pulled close to the moving average? If yes, then I'll just ask her to trade, pull the trigger. Then once she does that, okay, I'll tell her either to buy or to sell, depending on the direction. So depending on the few questions that on the strategy that I normally use. So immediately when I hear, when she tells me all the criteria have been met without me even seeing it, okay, I'll just tell her to pull the trigger. Then once that is done, I'll just unfold my just unfold. Okay, and then after that, we can wait the entire day to see what happens. Okay, that is the second extreme condition. So if you have an idea of which other extreme condition you want me to use to test my strategy, and don't drop anything crazy like trading underwater, like that is not possible. Okay, so anything else, just hit me up. Okay, just drop in the comment below, or maybe join on the Telegram group. Okay, and then just drop it there. Okay, or maybe just comment below. The best thing is comment below, or just go through all the comments. Okay, so anything crazy that you think is not possible to test out my strategy, just drop it there. Okay, Once you drop it there, I'll check it. Okay, so I'll be testing the entire week, next week, the whole of next week. Monday, drunk. Tuesday, blindfolded. On Wednesday, something different. So all the 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, will come from you. So make sure you drop the comment below, and also make sure you subscribe to have all these crazy experiences with trading. Okay, I'll be teaching you a bunch of things that have helped me to become a little bit more consistent and more profitable. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, and also like down below right here, and also subscribe right there. Make sure your red button is gray. Okay, you don't have a subscribe button on your screen. Okay, yeah, that's it. So let's see how the day goes. So let's look at our trade in as you can see, the current the market is almost getting there to our entry point. So we have 2 entry points. So the market is getting close to the first entry point, and then to the next entry point. Okay, and then after that we'll be checking on this later, maybe in just a few more minutes, or maybe a couple hours. Currently it is at around 2:32 p.m. in my country, so I'm normally closing all my trades at around 8 p.m. So if the trade will not be triggered and in profits at around 8 p.m., I just exit, just delete the limit orders. So these are limit orders, not like trades. Okay, so they have not been triggered yet. It is on Monday. We have yet another whole week to cover this. So let's see how this goes. Trading in the mall, had some massage. Okay, I'm just the simplest trader that you find on YouTube. All right, so almost everyone on YouTube is in a competition. I don't know why people are competing. Okay, we all have different life, we all have different backgrounds, we all have different goals. Okay, we all have different passions and interested in different things. Most people love cars. I love cars. I've not bought a car yet. All right, these exotic cars. Okay, so I'm not yet there, but I'll be getting there soon. Okay, life is all about journey, process, and trusting your process. Okay, and also making sure you are improving every single day. Okay, so once you master the entire strategy, make sure you are very patient and very disciplined. I urge you. All right, so even personally, if I give you the entire strategy and you are not disciplined, you will not make any money. Okay, talking from experience, I've been using this strategy for a long time, consistently making money for a long time, and then the moment I stopped being disciplined and trying to use other people's strategy, I started losing money. Okay, so even if I teach you the entire strategy and you're not disciplined, it will not help you. So the first thing, master the strategy. Then second thing, be 100% disciplined. Okay, that is it. So let's see how the market goes. So I have 2 orders, like a 0.05, 0.05, that is 0.1, basically trying to catch 100 pips for the day, so that I can catch my daily goal, which is $100 per day. Okay, and then later maybe I'll fund my account bigger later on. Maybe by next week I'll go a little bit bigger, but I'm not in a hurry. No, we are not in a hurry. We are not in a competition. The world is all about having your own understanding, your own goals, your own rules, and the experiences that you want to have. Okay, so that's it. So let's see how this goes in the next few hours. So currently 2:34 p.m. Let's see how this goes. All right, see you later. And to sum up the entire video, so that we cannot make it like too long, so it is currently between 15 and 20 minutes. So maybe we need to keep it at that. So maybe 15 to 20 minutes, or maybe shorter, so that you can not get bored. Okay, so I'll be updating the entire video. Okay, on the trade that I took. I'll be updating the trade on my Telegram channel. Okay, so make sure you join the Telegram channel. That's where I post all my trades as well. So as from Monday today, we are fully sticking to our strategy 100%. Just watch how in the next days from today, how things will turn out. Okay, how profit will flow. Okay, so that's it. Discipline, patience, the most important thing on your strategy. Okay, so that is basically somehow the most important strategy on trading. Okay, discipline and patience. Technical analysis, analyzing the entire thing, that's also something, but discipline to stick to your own rules. Okay, and your entire trading system, it's very important. Okay, so if you've learned something from the entire video, discipline, patience. Okay, all from experience. Okay, so if you don't do that, you basically will just be skipping from one strategy to the other, and never make any money. Okay, but if you stick to one, master it inside out. Like personally, my strategy, I've mastered it, everything, inside out. And every time I try to switch to other strategies, I lose money. That's guaranteed. So anytime you see me taking like 3-4 trades in one day, that's a good rule that I'm not following my strategy at all. Okay, so that's it. You can see some people looking at me all over. I'm cool with that. I don't care about what people think about me, so I just do whatever I want to do. Okay, so that's it. So make sure discipline, patience, very important, and also subscribing to this channel to learn more as I share all my experiences. Every single thing that I go through, every single thing, I'll just be dropping it on the channel every single time. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash that like button until it's blue, and also the subscribe button should not be red. Okay, so make sure it's gray. Okay, tap that, turn on the notification bell, very important. Okay, so see you later on the Telegram channel as I update you on the current trade that we are sporting. Okay, we are waiting to be triggered. It is close, almost being triggered, so we are waiting for that. Okay, boom, see you there.